Opening a demo account with OANDA allows you to practice trading without risking real money. Here's how you can do it. Visit the OANDA website. Go to the official OANDA website and navigate to the Open an Account section. Select Demo Account. Once on the registration page, choose the option to open a demo account. This option is specifically designed for practicing with virtual funds. Fill in your details. Provide your basic information such as name, email address, phone number, country of residence. You may also need to create a username and password for the demo account. Set up account preferences. You will be asked to set some preferences for your demo account, such as account type, base currency, leverage. Decide the initial deposit for the demo account. Typically, OANDA offers $100,000 as a default. Complete registration. Once you've filled out the form, click on Create Account to finalize your demo account setup. Log into the trading platform. After creating your demo account, you will receive login credentials. Use these to access OANDA's trading platforms and start trading with virtual funds.